come with me. I'm Tao Wangshen, funeral parlor director. Let me help you cross over.
Tao's rerun banner is live right now in Genshin Impact 3.4, and it's as if the stars in Teyvat are aligning and we are offered a chance to unbox this OnePlus Ace Pro Genshin Impact Limited Edition phone. And that is a mouthful, but the Ace Pro, as it's marketed in China, or the OnePlus 10T here in Malaysia, this is a very sleek looking device and you'll see in this unboxing video. So without further ado, let's get to it. So this is the packaging that comes with the phone, and it's a sleeve that we can just lift up as such, and you can see that there is a very nice design already on the outer box, and it opens up to reveal a nice acrylic stand featuring Tao herself and her pet ghost, I guess. Very nice stand, which we'll just put right here. So this is the phone itself, which we'll get to later on, but let's see what else you get with this bundle. Nice. This is just a piece of paper actually, but very nice. I mean, as fans of Tao would really like this. And we have a bunch of accessories here. Let's start with the biggest box, and I assume this is the special case that comes with the phone, and yes, it is. Man, just look at how nice this is. It's a polycarbonate shell of sorts, and this red interior design is of this cooling gel-like material that is meant to improve the thermal performance of the phone, and it does feel nice and cool to the touch, and it's quite soft and supple as well. There is also a nice Tao wording right here to show that you have a special edition OnePlus Ace Pro. And we also have this paper that has some, wow, 1,000 Primogems, but this should be just for the China server. And obviously I'm not gonna open this up, but that's what you'll get if you're in China. Wow, a bunch of Tao stickers. Oh, these are nice. Some papers which are in Chinese, which I don't understand. More paper, instruction manual, I suppose. And what is this? Whoa, look at that. Whoa, you can see like the ghost coming up here and then up there, and that reveals this nice seam tool, I assume, with the staff of Homa. Wow, look at this. Let's move on to the next one. I wonder what this is. It is, oh, that's nice. So this is the ghost that we've been seeing all along. And I assume this is a stand. Yes, it is a stand for it. Huh, how cute. Probably has a name, but I can't recall it right now. So let's move on to the next box. And this is the charging cable in OnePlus signature red color. Very nice. It's a C to C cable. So I assume this is the charging brick then. Would be nice if it has a special design to it, but I don't think so. Nah, there isn't. Oh, there is. Whoa, this is nice. This is Tao's logo, if I'm not mistaken. And it's a 160 watt super VOOC charger. So that is a very fast charging brick that should be able to charge up the phone very quickly. So that's it. That's the contents that come with it. And let's close this and get to the main guy. So let's lift it up, get it out. Can I slide it out? Can I slide it out? I cannot. Okay, fine. Let's open it up very carefully to show this very nice design. Ooh, this is nice. It's a nice matte finish, and there's Tao right here, the OnePlus logo, and some nice designs that are very strike true to what Tao is, in my opinion. The butterfly motifs and some flame of sorts, because she has a pyrovision after all. Very nice. And on the sides, the buttons are red. It's similar to Tao's color scheme. So let's switch on the device to see what we have. Oh wow, that is different. Oh, that is very nice. Well done, OnePlus. Man, I am very impressed. It's a nice Pyro Vision logo right here, and even all the icons have special Genshin Impact / Hu Tao aesthetic to it, and this is just nice. And even Genshin Impact is already installed, I mean, obviously. But yeah, that was Hu Tao. Wow, it has Hu Tao like notification tone. Wow, this is very nice. Okay, Hu Tao ringtone. What is the Hu Tao ringtone? So that's the Chinese VA of Hu Tao, and it's her signature literal song, if I'm not mistaken, and it's just so nice. So let's look at the alarm now. I have no idea what she was saying, but it sounds cute. And you even get this nice animated lock screen of Hu Tao. I mean, definitely a phone that every Hu Tao fan should get if they can get and if they want an Android phone. But alas, this is a phone that is not available in other markets except for China. So you cannot get it unless you get it from a parallel importer or something, but you do not get official warranty with that, and I don't really recommend doing that unless you absolutely love her as a character. Nonetheless, it's a very well-designed phone, and props to OnePlus for that, and here's hoping that if they do another Genshin Impact collaboration with their phones, it will be available in more markets, including Malaysia, hopefully. And that is our unboxing of this very nice bundle dubbed the OnePlus Ace Pro Genshin Impact Limited Edition. Again, I've been saying that it's such a nice phone because it really is, but apologies for repeating that word so many times. So like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here on this channel and netshift.com. And maybe roll for Hu Tao as well while you're at it.
When the sun's out, bathe in sunlight. But when the moon's out, bathe in moonlight.